YouTube. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to turn off auto replace for your keyboard on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. This will work for the S23 Ultra and most versions of the S23 as well. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So if you want to turn off auto replace, which is when your keyboard will try to detect what words you're typing or incorrectly typing and then automatically replace them, thankfully it's pretty easy to do so. The first step is to head over to your settings. From there, you want to go to General Management. And then from General Management, you want to look for Samsung Keyboard Settings, which is usually below Date and Time. After you hit Samsung Keyboard Settings, what you want to look for is Auto Replace. And then you can hit it here, and then you can turn it on or off for whichever keyboard that you have selected. And there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to turn on or off Auto Replace for your Samsung S23 device. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.